Now you are looking at this machine as our brand machine, R32. I will introduce this. The equipment weighs 3.2 tons. Now you can see the engine. The engine is the Kubota V1505 model, a 3-cylinder water-cooled engine with an output power of 18.5 kilowatt and a maximum horsepower of 25. It comes with a Kubota Origin diesel filter. And what you are interested most is its digging depth. The maximum digging depth of this machine is 2,827 millimeters. The bucket is 14 centimeters in size. It's equipped with a standard hydraulic thumb. Club has a mechanic quick change function and also includes a 3-way ball valve and a quick connector for 2-way auxiliary tools. The pin shaft and the pin sleeve, you can see that up of this picture. The pin shaft is galvanized and has an oil nipple for lubrication. The pin sleeve is a protective cover for the pin shaft. When worn out, only the pin sleeve needs to be replaced. The oil cylinder is forged as a single piece and is equipped with original factory import NOK seals. The bomb support is made by casting as a simple piece. The bomb can be extended, swinging the up arm to the side. The tracks can extend and retract, and they are made of rubber. Standard features include a driver's cabin, air condition, fans, and an LED smart screen. The front windshield can be raised. It can work at both high and low speed. There are also leading lock, a flip-up storage compartment, and a handrest. It uses a 9-link hydraulic multi-way valve. Side swing operation protection to prevent accident contact. Keyless machine, hydraulic oil tank, flame pump. If you are interested in this machine, please contact with me.